Hello everyone, welcome to my Linux alphabet command tutorials where I go through this mouse pad over here which has the alphabet and a bunch of Linux commands per letter with on the mouse pad, and I go through each one individually and give a brief little demo of how it's actually useful and how to actually use each command itself. If you want to buy the mouse pad, affiliate link below. It's like 20 bucks. It's kind of cool mouse pad. All right, for this one, I am currently on the ampersand, the very first one. This is my first video. So I'm going to open up a terminal and I am going to increase the size quite significantly, and it is the ampersand. Ampersand is the very first one. It is called start a new process in background. So ampersand is not a command itself, it's actually an additional command that you put at the end of a command to run in the background. So if you run it, it's going to yell at you. So you can't just run it. So the easiest way to explain this is that a command, it runs in the background. So if you don't know what sleep does, sleep is a command that legit just waits. It just pauses and waits for how long you prompt it. If you prompt a sleep 5, it will sit there for 5 seconds until it allows you to prompt anything else back up, like we just saw there. But if you do sleep 5 ampersand, it will run in the background, so you're allowed to look at this. So we do sleep 5 ampersand. You can see it's PID 37050, and you can see that it is currently running, and you see what command is running. And after 5 seconds, it will complete, and you can review that it was completed and it is done. And that is really the ampersand. It is just a process that can run in the background. So when you run the various commands, sometimes you just want to run something and you know it's going to take a while. If you have a script that's web scraping hundreds of websites, you know it's going to take 30 minutes to do it, but you still want to use your terminal, you can do that. Or you can open up another terminal. It's quite useful before we had all these advanced terminals, Tmux's, Ghosty, all of these various terminals that you can use now, and where you can open up other windows. Like here, I can open up as many as I want. And so I generally don't use this unless I'm running a bash script that needs to wait on something to return and I want to make sure. So I actually put sleeps in there and runs in the background while other stuff is happening, and I wait for that PID to actually return to then execute the others. If you like it, keep following. We're going to go down the alphabet of Linux commands of that mousepad. Bye.